These are the sounds that just drive me crazy as an autistic person. This is a big one for me, the dishwasher. Whenever the dishwasher is running, I cannot be in the living room. I cannot be anywhere near it. I cannot do anything productive if I'm too close. The second is the sound of the dryer. I can hear it from my bedroom. I'd say the worst part is the sound of zipper metals hitting the machine. I cannot even sleep if that sound is on, so... Next one is not so bad. I can hear it from my bedroom, but the AC unit sound. I don't like using the living room that much because I can constantly hear that sound and it annoys me. It's not that bad, but it still annoys me. Same with the exhaust noise in the bathrooms. Just a constant humming drives me insane. I have a love and hate relationship with fans. I like their sound to sleep if they're not too loud, but I can't do anything productive if I can hear fans. And finally, the noises from maintenance outside. They cut grass here once or twice a week, and now they're installing speed bumps. They got here at 8. They will probably come back for the next few days and do the same thing. Why? We don't need that.